So now class, listen very carefully. There is a question in your book, write a program in Java to assign two unequal numbers, and if the first number is smaller than second, display the square of a smaller number and the cube of greater number. Otherwise, vice versa. It means class, write a program in Java to assign two unequal numbers. Two unequal numbers. Okay class? It means two unequal numbers. So there is a variable a which is equal to maybe any number, suppose 10, and there is a variable b which is equal to suppose 12. Okay? So now first of all assign two unequal numbers. So first of all you will check if a is not equal to b, because this is a symbol of not equal to, which is a type of relational operator. So first we check whatever two numbers are there, both numbers are equal to or not. After this, if the first number is smaller, it means कि ये पहला प्रोसेस चेक करने के बाद if we are getting कि जो हमारा a और b है वो दोनों एक दूसरे के इक्वल नहीं है, then we will enter in a program. So first of all what we will check? We will check if the first number is smaller than the second one. If the first number is smaller than the second number, display the square of smaller. तो हमें स्क्वायर किसका डिस्प्ले करना है? स्मॉलर नंबर का, और क्यूब किसका डिस्प्ले करना है? ग्रेटर नंबर का. सॉरी, स्मॉलर नंबर इज बी, smaller number is a. So we will write here a into a square of smaller, and cube is equal to, and the cube of greater number, greater is b, so b into b. Else suppose a is less than b is false. फर्स्ट नंबर जो है वो सेकंड नंबर से स्मॉलर नहीं है. तो अगर फर्स्ट नंबर सेकंड नंबर से स्मॉलर नहीं है तो ऐसी कंडीशन में हमें स्क्वायर निकालना होगा b का और क्यूब निकालना होगा a का. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस प्रोग्राम. ओके क्लास, नाउ we will start from public. We'll start from public class, and the name of our class is public class. Suppose the name of our class is check, because it's totally depend on us what type of class name we want to take. After this we will come to the declaration of main program. So public static void main string args. Is it clear class? प्रोग्राम में करना क्या ये क्लियर है? We need to initialize two different number from user. यूजर के थ्रू हमें दो डिफरेंट नंबर इनिशियलाइज करने हैं. इफ द फर्स्ट नंबर इज स्मॉलर देन द सेकंड नंबर, हमारे दो नंबर में से अगर पहला नंबर दूसरे नंबर से स्मॉलर होता है तो हमें स्मॉलर नंबर का स्क्वायर निकालना है और बड़े नंबर का क्यूब. इफ दिस थिंग विल नॉट हैपन, अगर ये नहीं पॉसिबल होता है, सो वी विल डू वाइस वर्सा, जस्ट अपोजिट. नाउ वी विल कम टू द इंट a comma b. A is our first number and b is our second number, and now there is a variable sq to find the square of number, and there is a variable cube cube to find the cube of number. Now there is a semicolon. After this we will write a is equal to any number, because this program depends on assignment statement. So whatever number is there, it will be given by us. So suppose a is equal to 10 and b is equal to Is it clear, class? So now the next thing is assign two unequal number. दो unequal number assign हो गए, but we are going to check also. हमें ये check भी करना होगा कि ये दोनों number unequal है या नहीं. So what we will do the first of all we will check both number are unequal or not. So A is not equal to B. Is it clear, class? Now rest of the things I will write here. Is it clear? You will continue after this statement, but I will start from here. Now see, you will start from if A is not equal to B. ठीक है? मैं इसके आगे की चीजों को क्लास इधर मूव कर रहा हूं. If A is not equal to B, if the condition is true, अगर ये कंडीशन हमारी ट्रू होती है, so we will come inside the if condition. Now both number are unequal. Now what we will check? First number is smaller than the second number. So we will write if A is smaller than B. If A is smaller than B. अगर A हमारा B से छोटा है, A is what? First number and B our second number. So if first number is smaller than second number, then what we will do? We will find the square of smaller number. So it is S cube, which is equal to, which one is smaller? First number A. Okay, so A into A is there, and now the next will be cube of greater number. So CUBE is equal to B into B into B. Is it clear, class? Now we will come to the next else. Suppose both numbers are not, after this both numbers are not equal, then suppose the first number is less than second number is false. It means the second number is smaller than first number. So without checking any condition, directly we will write SQ is equal to B into B and CUBE is equal to A into A into A. This will be closed. Now after this class, we will close this curly bracket, this curly bracket, and this curly bracket also. This curly bracket also. And now suppose the first condition is false. A is not equal to B, it is false. अगर पहली ही कंडीशन हमारी false हो गई, so इस if के else में this else is a part of this if. So if A is not equal to B, false. अगर A B के इक्वल नहीं है और ये कंडीशन false हो गई, तो ये कब false होगी? Suppose A equal to 10. Here it is given. So 10 is not equal to 6. It is true. 10 is not equal to 6. It is true, na? But suppose user will initialize A equal to 10 and B equal to also 10. So 10 is not equal to 10. It is true. 10 के बराबर नहीं है. ये true है? नहीं. It is false. So when this condition false, it means both number are equal to each other. So in else statement, we will print SOPLN both are equal. Is it clear, class? Now this curly bracket close. No need to close here. We are going to close these two curly brackets here and here. Is it clear, class? Have any problem? Now this program depends on assignment statement. You will do one thing. You will solve the same program with main function. You all are knowing how to deal with main function. So you will solve the same program with main function.